This video shows two beautiful gadgets. Do not drag the video to the end. Number 1. Phantom Chessboard. Phantom, the robotics chessboard made of real wood, solid wood prize. Wooden board and adventure future from the chess world. If you love chess, you enjoy the little details of a well-created physical set, like the beautiful wind prize and real wood construction. Online chess is definitely conversion and offers possibility a physical board just cannot to make the best autonomous chess set in the world. We create a sensor erase the details, the physical location of every prize, and a fast silence that move the prize smoothly across the board like magic. For the most amazing chess experience you will even heavy play against any human on earth, whether it is someone on the other side of the world or a friend or family member you have not been able to see for a year. Phantom begin your together when you play against someone online. Their moves happen in real time on your board as if they were in the same room, and they do not even need to have a phantom. They can play with you using their smartphone or computer. But if they use their own phantom board, the experience become magic as you move, reflect it in the board in real time too. Play with your voice, direct your trophies is battle we first. Responsive voice comments just like coming up a fast stories. The piece move automatically as if they are interchanged. Marvel anyone by playing a hands-free chess game. Phantom chessboard. It's like everybody and play game. Phantom chessboard. Number 2. Neri Power Hammer. Marvel Neri Power Moves. Avenger Truth Hammer, Sticks Hammer. Neri Bread Launching Toy or Kites replied as 5 and